Okay, we finished drilling our hole out. We're about 2 1/4 inches in, which is good. So we're going to take our stick and we're going to glue our stick in. I've also put the hook in here for your spring. Put this in. There we go. Wipe off our excess glue here. Now, because these pieces are so thin, I don't want them coming loose or anything. So I'm going to put a couple of nails in each side to make sure they stay where they belong and don't come loose. So now we'll set this, let it dry, and then we'll move on to our next step. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and like on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.